Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today, I will show you how to make a soft and gooey chocolate lava cake. These are the simple ingredients you will need: some good quality chocolate, butter, sugar, eggs, a little bit of flour, and a splash of vanilla. First, take the chocolate and butter and melt them together in a bowl until they are completely smooth and glossy. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, sugar, and vanilla essence until they are light and foamy. Now gently pour the whisked egg mixture into your melted chocolate and mix them together until just combined. Next, add just a little bit of flour and carefully fold it in. Be careful not to overmix the batter. Then, pour the lovely batter into your greased ramekins and place them in the oven to bake. After about 10 to 12 minutes, they are ready. The outside is perfectly cooked while the inside is soft and gooey. Look at that rich, flowing chocolate inside. Try this yummy dessert yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. Jazak Allahu khair.